Welcome to Gopi Plus. This video is to explain Mini iframe box WordPress plugin. This is this is official page for this plugin and this is a live demo for this plugin. So basically the use of this plugin is to display the text within a small iframe window. Okay, now let's see how to install this plugin. First go to the download link, download the plugin. I already downloaded the plugin. So then after that you go to your dashboard, go to plugin, add new plugin menu, then upload the plugin. Okay, after uploaded the plugin, just activate the plugin. Once plugin activated, you will get a new menu called Mini iframe box. Go to that menu. Now in default, the plugin installed successfully. In default, it created two record in the dashboard. If we want, we can update this record. Otherwise, we can delete this record and create a new record using this add new option. So in this demo, I'm just going to use the existing message. So and then in this plugin, we have an option called group. Means we can group the text using this option. Okay. So these two default message is categorized under general group. Okay, I will copy the shortcode. This is a shortcode of this plugin. I just copy this shortcode. Go to the post. I'm just going to add a new shortcode here. I added the shortcode, updated, update successful. Now I go to the post. Now we can see the message inside the iframe box. So in case and then we have one more option called ID. So this first shortcode is to display the message using this group option. The second option is to display the message, display the specific message in this page. In this case, ID equal to 1. It means this is ID. If I put ID equal to 1, it means always this particular message will display in the front end. In case if I use a group option, randomly any one of this message display in the front end. So now I will show ID option. Same way I go to the post. I modify this shortcode with ID option. I go to the admin. So we use ID option 1. It means it always displays this message in the front end. So I go to the front end, refresh this page. Now see, it always displays this message in the front end. In the previous example, we use a group option. So group option means randomly it displays this message or this message. So this message we are using a iframe URL. So basically in this plugin we have a two options. Whether we using this text area we can display the content. Otherwise we can display the any sub URL. So in the first example we have a URL. The second example we have a text. So if we put ID option means it always use that particular record. If we use a group option means randomly any one of the record will display in this option. Okay, that's it. Thank you.